Oh no, not again! I'm out, locked out. I know, I'll call that pondering locksmith, that Eddie guy. He'll fix it. He'll get this door open.
Good. Oh, hi there. Now, we don't have to do this again. Made an extra key. By the way, back to that pondering thing, I was doing it again coming over here. And I started thinking about the forest stranger. Where does he go to get away from it all? How about a turtle, man? Can you imagine? What is he, without his shell, either homeless or just naked? If you have the answer to any of these questions, please call me at 435-0679. 435-0679. Hope you have a great day.